All right, let's have a look at CleanSpark today. It's down another like 3.5%, but yesterday was pretty big down move, and it did kill the momentum. It was looking very, very nice going into basically Friday was looking pretty good. Monday open, a lot of people who maybe were trapped at these levels, or people who were trapped at these levels thought that, okay, it's time to take a profit, get out, especially after stock slipping below 20. Volume was pretty big, and if you take a look at the daily chart, I'll show you this candlestick formation. This is usually not a really good looking formation if you're familiar with candlestick patterns. When previous day gets wiped out 100% and then more, and stock closes at its lows, no attempt to bounce whatsoever, while following days it's normal to see the stock to drift lower. So from here I'm going to be watching, well, I'm at the moment watching this $15 area as a support, but after this much of a sell-in, I don't think that it will be trying to recover it quickly. It can very well come down to test 50-day moving average, at the moment 13 something. So I'm watching the stock to the downside in terms of option activity. I mean, there's of course after this much of a move, not much happening. Volume dropped significantly. 50,000 calls were traded, 55,000, 20,000 puts were traded, and it's been well, we still have 2 more hours until market close, and IV is still high, so nobody wants to overpay for this. I know halving is ahead, but it doesn't matter. These stocks dilute you, and they're not being shorted. Okay, it's just pure selling pressure, dilution, shelf offerings. Maybe I don't know how many these have registered shelf offerings that they are trying to sell. You have to go to SEC, take a look at their filings. Have they dumped everything, or they're dumping right now? And just keep an eye on outstanding shares. Okay, I'm just looking at the volumes that are daily short volume. Again, it's not all exchanges report. It's from the exchanges who report. I'm not seeing people shorting it crazy at all. Okay, below 40% short volume every day, it's normal. And also short float, 12%, 15%, not a lot. 13% share float, 190 million according to Finviz. Let's take a look at on Thinkorswim. On my chart, on my platform, I'm seeing that this stock has 198 million outstanding shares as of today. So if they have done offerings, this would increase. Go back, take a look at the chart of the outstanding shares, and if it has been increasing somewhere here, then probably they have been selling some leftover shelf offerings, just taking advantage of the volatility, liquidity, most importantly. So these are the levels to the upside. I don't have much hope for this name. I was really excited when it was doing this 3-day move, and then this basically almost wiped out 90% of it, and including today, these 3 days just got wiped out in 2 days. So momentum is gone, at least for now, and I'm watching $13 as a support. Very likely after halving, if Bitcoin takes some sort of a dip, let's say into 60s, maybe 55k, something like that, this stock can see $8. But these are the levels I'm watching for now. It can very well chop inside of this range. This is purely for entertainment, educational purposes, not a financial advice. Take care. Peace.